Is it stuck in the frame? No! Gloves on. I'm on new brake pads as well, so they're really unresponsive.
You got it?
No. Balancing act.
On this side.
Best of luck. Fucking hell. Woo! Look at that. As far as green lanes go, this is not a great idea.
Go up the other side now.
Yeah. Oh, riding the trail and walking the trail. Whew. You've done what? That's really jammed. Is it stuck in the frame? Tidy.
Thank you.
It's all coming off. That's unreasonable. No way did I just do that first time. No way. That was not ideal. Starting to wonder about our decisions. Oh,
Try and keep it tracking.
that's not nice. That could hurt.
Oh, you've made it safe for us.
Shit. Oh, that looked painful.
Oh, I'm wet now.
You alright there?
Yeah, fine. Okay, should we try that?
Yeah, I think that's a signal.
They're absolutely soaked.
You landed on a broken bottle.
Oh, nice.
There you go. Oh, keys. Oh, Christ. Whose idea was this? Might need a hand. Too soon. How did I get up there?
Roll up it.
I don't know. Full perspective. Just send it and I'll grab it as soon as I can. Put a rock in there. I had an insanely hard day of gardening yesterday, which doesn't sound as intense as it was. Right, let's do it. You got it? sake of energy levels. Oh, my arms. This is meant to be a relaxing ride. Tree! Ow! Ow! No way! You're having a rough time of it today.
I'll roll back, I can have another go.
Right, yeah. I'm going to get right out of the way for this one. It was already breaking. That'll do. Oh no, maybe not. I mean, not much else can do. Oh, the end is in sight. The end is overgrown as f***. I think some trail clearing is in order. Ow, my face. Not going very well. Oh, there's more. Who knew? I'm not going in that today. Oh, this is rough. The brambles. Attacked by nature. It fights back. Fuck.
You know Dad's got that scar on his nose?
I did not know that.
And the brambles caught him and just dragged him
Oh.
the whole way through. And we got to there, he turned and literally the blood was just pouring over the
Oh
top
my
of his bike.
God. Casualties.